Hello student, I am Gavle sir, Arud Vidyalaya Malasakore. Subject General Science, Standard 7th. We have completed first two chapters by sending you links of YouTube on our group 7th and 7B group. Now we have to start third chapter, Properties of Natural Resources. नैसर्गिक संसाधनांचे गुणधर्म. प्रॉपर्टीज म्हणजे गुणधर्म, रिसोर्सेस म्हणजे संसाधने किंवा साधन संपत्ती. सो विच आर नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस? एअर, वॉटर, सॉइल आर द नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस. आउट ऑफ दोज फर्स्ट एअर. नाउ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एअर. प्रॉपर्टीज गुणधर्म, हवेचे गुणधर्म. एअर इज ऑल अराउंड अस. आपल्या सभोवताली हवा आहे. वी कॅनॉट सी इट, आपण तिला बघू शकत नाही, बट वी कॅन फील द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ एअर. वेन वी इनहेल एअर थ्रू आवर नोज, वेन वी ब्लो मीन्स फुंकणे, वेन वी ब्लो ऑन आवर हँड्स थ्रू आवर लिप्स, we can feel the presence of air. Now we have to see the properties of air. So first of all, we have to perform one experiment. See that experiment. Okay, what do you see in that experiment? In that experiment, two balloons are tied both ends of straw, and at the middle of that straw thread is tied, and that thread is attached to any rigid support. That both balloons was in a horizontal position, means at a level. When one balloon is busted, then the remaining balloon side goes down, means that balloon contain air. Means why this happen? Due to the weight of air which is present in that balloon. Means the first property is that air has a mass and weight. मास मीन्स वस्तुमान आणि वेट म्हणजे वजन. म्हणजेच हवेला वस्तुमान असतं, कारण तिकडचा भाग जो खाली गेला आहे त्यामध्ये त्या फुग्यात हवा होती म्हणून तो भाग खाली गेला. यावरून आपण फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी लक्षात घेऊ शकतो. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी आपण बघणार आहोत. नाउ सी, दिस इज द syringe. This is the hole of syringe and this is the piston of syringe. At first that piston is that syringe is like this. I am going to pull out that piston, means I use some force. I needed some force to pull out that piston. This is the one thing. Another way, if I keep my thumb on the hole of that syringe and then I try to pull out that piston, then what happen? Now see, much more force I needed to pull out that piston, and if I release that piston, means if I let go that piston, then see what happen. That piston directly goes in. Why this is so? When I pull that piston in this way, air goes inside, due to there is no any need of pressure to take out that piston. But when I keep my thumb on that hole and then when I try to pull out that piston, at that time this area of syringe contain no air, means there is a formation of vacuum. And when I let it go piston, let it go म्हणजे काय, सोडून देणे. When I let it go that piston goes fastly inside the syringe because there is a vacuum, and to fulfill that vacuum by air, atmospheric air apply pressure on that piston, and due to that piston goes rapidly or fastly in syringe. Means second property is that एअर एक्झर्ट्स प्रेशर, एक्झर्ट्स म्हणजे काय, अप्लाय करणे, लागू करणे. हवा बल प्रयुक्त करते किंवा हवा दाब प्रयुक्त करते. अँड द प्रेशर ऑफ दॅट एअर इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर वातावरणीय दाब. ॲटमॉस्फेरिक मीन्स वातावरणीय. Atmospheric pressure is same in all direction. Okay, so this was the second property. Air exerts pressure.